You done send me for your money. Rude boy, I'm around the place. No man not get no money. And that just say, which Dan you talk about? Tell the dance you have to go. I know me no work so do a big man. And money me come from me not left without it. And that we don't know young boy who no listens like stick broken on the blood clot ears. I'm tell you something on your ears. I say right now, I'm man money me come from. And dead you go dead pussy. All that. Oh, I'm man money so man. One thing me I say right now with Frost, we need to go get some pizza off our road. Big man thing, dog. Is it? Where the pan? Money? Yes, boss. Yeah. Alright. Raise my glass and watch it. Alright, my general. Money we say. Raise up, no man. Right now, when I grow up, I can run the place. Because right now, my family lucky all about you know. And your next generation, so you know, so you have to come turn up with thing on the ground. You see it? I want to make you come link me. When we do for deserve this generosity. Much time you want this man, never this yet. Oh see. When me refuse no accommodation, we just hope we can come and roll our vibes and reason together. As big man, because I'm a reasonable man, so I saw you think that dog can hold our vibes, big man thing. No girl go a pussy dog. Stop going act like a man. What you mean by girl go a pussy? What you cry of a girl? Get up man in a girl is. What you cry? You know easy, you know. You spend time with the family? Yeah. Oh. Cause I'm gonna spend time with the family, you know, and a good man, you know. And show me you say you're serious, man. That's why I take time and go link you. And I say I'm gonna deal with respect, you see it. But I have say no to you. I'll give me reason still. Cause drugs are dirty business. Big man, hold on. You know, it's something a man do for you living, you know. But it's me I say dog. I kill people, dog, and I drugs myself. Big man thing. That's all I can say. Yo! I'm to you. And the blood clot girl we are ramp with them in 5 minutes now, boy. I'm to you. You know work for God though. Eh? You know have people for kill each up the ramp with blood clot people. Yo dog right now man, I'm take away all that money and I know what to do, you know. Hear me I say, and I find that blood clot they are dead for. The general say, I come man, them come to kill you. Right now, that can gonna dead, some pussy I go dead. Calm down, man, calm down. Right now, me dealing with myself. You wanna spliff, man? So, boss, you see, man, them lick down ugly man on the corner. Yeah, dead, you know, dog. Oh, God. Man, bumbo clot inquiry make. Mountain of Fatness and kill you wicked, I swear. No boy can run on the heads and deal with the thing, so. I will run blood clot about you. Let me tell you that. Man, you use all of your power. And all of the skills them what you got. You don't even want him mother see him where they were, because they fuck him up, look. People have got dead for that blood clot there. Ugly man. I got them fuck you up. How much a blood clot man them dead? No man no know. What me happy enough for? As much man are dead. Rob, no man can't tell me blood clot nothing. What me I say? All of them blood clot dog and mama dead. We still not call it even. It's what they do to my son. Everything we have blood clot kill. I'm a name Godfather. Blood clot me. People are dead, no boy can't this and get where you coming. But them pussy I know them sitting here. I'm Tono. Gunshot I go fire in this bomb buckler here. Fix all the bomb buckler finger good too. I even like they look like at this you want this now you feel like fool. I even look on you cause me stepping on your face. I realize somebody are going like me for that jail cell. I just feel like me have some blood clots nature on me. More of them blood clots and Mr. Palmer informer. Yeah man. Feel like I'm not dead. You know me never want in life I fear though dog. All of my life me I kill people and me support my family, you see me? Me never want you grow up the way you dog, me don't want you grow up. As a good bumbo clot you, but you know you go. That was my life. My life consists of killing people, but when it come to you, me never want them things there for you. Cause me say no got a good school and all of them things there. I want you to come out better in life. So what me do, me not no regrets, cause me a gangster. And my time now. You see it? You can run it one day, man, but not rushing nothing. Dad, you're chill now, no see you all. And my time now. My son, one thing, you're a young bud, you know storm yet. I know how this thing go. You're not ready yet. Me say cut off from about them head and military family. You make them feel the judgment. Yes, seriously. Yes, my boss. Alright, then me to a fat pussy girl for now. Me get to back lane, you know, kick back me so forward to the girl them.